Good afternoon, everyone. And again, good morning to some people and good evening to some. Thank you for coming back today on this very precious call. We're on a whirlwind right now, guys. It's just absolutely unbelievable. The momentum that's after kicking in with this project in early days is absolutely fantastic. I'd like to welcome all the new people on the call. You should really thank the person who recommended you to this call, because the information I'm about to give you now, I think, is just really gripping the internet by storm. I've never seen so many people in 11 years of working online all coming together at the one time. We have some of the biggest leaders from other companies who have left them solely to focus on PlusToken. That's a testament to the people behind this project, is a testament to the technology on board, and is a technology that's what's to take place in Bangkok on the 12th of May. I'm excited. I hope who's ever on the call can make it. Unfortunately, it's completely sold out. We got some spare tickets, but guys, it's completely sold out. So anyone looking for a ticket now, unfortunately, you can't get one, but there'll be plenty of updates, plenty of leaders going there. So it's all good. So let's start the call. Please pay particular attention to the gentleman here on the left-hand side, Ronald I. And this gentleman here, Shang Zhao. Why do I say that? Ronald I is, in my opinion, the main guy. Okay, in every company, it takes a few different people that think differently to bring something special together. There's always one that thinks different. There's always one that's the innovator. And Ronald I is the Chief Technology Officer. He is the co-founder of the 4th generation blockchain BeByte system. Guys, go check this online. Go and have a look at the credibility of what this gentleman has done. It's absolutely phenomenal. The 1st generation was Bitcoin. The 2nd generation was Ethereum. The 3rd generation blockchain was EOS. And the 4th generation blockchain is BeByte system. And we're just fortunate enough that Ronald I has partnered together with PlusToken to bring this to the market. So what's very important in the industry of working online, technology, it's the key. Why? Most companies are not fortunate enough to be in the position we are in. So what do? They have to work with a third party, which is fair enough. Nothing wrong with that. But when you're relying on somebody else for a product, if there's a disagreement, there's competition, there's lots of stuff that can take place. What happens? You lose the contract. You can't provide what you already provided. Then you go scrapping, trying to find it somewhere else. We owned the technology. Brilliant. And the second thing is the community. And that's what we're doing this call for. And that's what all of us are doing here. We're all building the community. Why? Because with a project like this, you need a big community. Because where we're going, the end goal is millions and millions of people. And when you have a community of millions and millions of people, you have so much leverage and you can do so much. And I'm going to explain that in this presentation. This gentleman here, Shang Zhao. Who is Shang Zhao? Shang Zhao is the co-founder of the largest blockchain forum in the world. The likes of John McAfee, Roger Ver, all these great people in the cryptocurrency and blockchain space. Shang Zhao is the co-founder of the largest blockchain forum in the world. This is Shang Zhao and Ronald I in China last month on the pre-launch of PlusToken. PlusToken guys are in a hurry. They're here to disrupt the payments network. They're here to make a difference. They're not waiting 1 year or 2 years for launch. They're launching next week. This business is moving like a train. You have an option. Do you want to jump on the train or stay behind? Some people on this call will take the option and they'll stay behind, which is perfectly fine. Some people will get on and they will run with it. And the people who are running with it, the rewards are absolutely phenomenal. But anybody on this call today, the beautiful thing about this project, if you like what I'm showing you today, and my business partner after me, Matthias Guzda, you don't have to go out and recommend anybody. You can participate in the arbitrage software and get a daily income for yourself. You can turn your phone into an ATM machine. By holding your cryptocurrencies on our wallet instead of holding it somewhere else, you'll get paid a reward system. So it's absolutely phenomenal. PlusToken. Pay particularly attention to this page. Why do I say that? In 2018, as we all know on this call, cryptocurrency went into a huge bear market. From its previous year, going from 1,000 in 2017 in January to December that year to nearly going to $20,000 for one Bitcoin. Next thing what happened was like the dot-com bubble. The whole market had an unbelievable bear run. One BTC went down as far as $3,000. But look what PlusToken done. PlusToken went from 40 cents in April 2018 up to $70 in April 2019. How? Against the market. What did they do that somebody else didn't do? Because remember, we're constantly evolving as human beings, as technology, artificial intelligence. There's always something coming better. People always look to Bitcoin as being the number one. Bitcoin is the number one. It's the godfather. But there's many cryptocurrencies far superior than Bitcoin. We all know that. Okay? You know, so what people in the cryptocurrency market do, they look at what the co-founders done, which they like Bitcoin is number one, and they try to improve upon it. So everybody's also innovating. In my opinion, some of the biggest cryptocurrencies that we're ever going to see haven't even been launched yet. This market is so small. It's at its infancy. The current market cap of the whole cryptocurrency market is, today it has a big jump. Any of you holding cryptos today would be very happy. It's just less than 200 billion. I think it's about 185 billion the last time I looked today. So the market's at its infancy. Have a look at the trend of PlusToken. PlusToken was at 40 cents when it pre-launched. But look, nice and steady at the start. Nice and steady. But look, gained momentum as the year went on. More belief came into the project. And here they are. 3 million active users with a wallet downloaded today. 3 million. And this gentleman, Shang Zhao, successfully picked and helped PlusToken smart wallet achieve, are you listening guys, 15,500% growth. Would you like if you were involved in that? Absolutely. I know I would. I know Matthias, who's speaking next, heard about PlusToken at its very infancy days, and the timing was wrong. It wasn't for him, so Matthias never brought it to me, which is fine. But look what we missed. 15,500% growth. So when Matthias picked up the phone to me, which I'm very grateful for, and explained to me about this project, it was, Paul, we're not missing this one. I done my due diligence, done my research, looked at the project, ticked all the boxes for me, spoke to some of our leaders, say would they like it. Everybody loved it. And we said, let's go. You know, so Shang Zhao, he's going to help another unique technology go through 10,000% growth. And the question is, ask yourself now, are you ready? Ronald Dye, as I said at the start, is a key man in our ecosystem and in our company. What's very important here, when you load the application, there's going to be two components. As one component, you load it in, your BTC, your Ethereum will sit in the wallet. This wallet, you will hold the private keys. It should be in the next week or two, you will hold the private keys. What the private keys means that you've control over your cryptocurrency, okay? So if you want to withdraw that, you withdraw that. And you can track, as I'm going to show you in the coming slides, where all the cryptocurrency is. Now, this is a part people are getting mixed up in. If you decide to connect and do a project with Jarvis, Jarvis is the trading robot that Ronald Dye and his team have been doing for the last 3.5 years. And there's live trading to show you all this. There's a video going around, 5-minute video. Ronald Dye logs into his laptop and he shows you next to the bot the trading. Okay, if you do a project and put your money into the trading robot, you don't control them private keys because you're given the permission for PlusToken and for Ronald Dye and the team to do arbitrage trading. Okay, so you don't control the private keys there. Okay, but you control the private keys when you fund the wallet itself. The reserve fund, you're going to hear a lot about the reserve fund over the coming months. This is a key part of the whole strategy and how transparent this project is. As you participate in the project, let's say we on the call put 100 Bitcoins into this project. The 100 Bitcoins does the arbitrage trading, okay? And the profits each month, 10% of the profits, and that's an average. It can be 5%, it could be 12, it could be 8. Average 10%, right now it's 0.3% a day, is paid to the people who participate in the trading robot, without ever recommending nobody if you don't want to. The rest of the funds then go into the reserve fund. So as the reserve fund gets bigger and bigger, what happens? Your cloud tokens that you're holding get bigger and bigger in price. And you can track this on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, daily, you get paid out in cloud token. If you want to convert your cloud token, Matthias will show you a live example in a minute, convert it into Ethereum to do a withdrawal, and you can track everything on the application, then that Ethereum is sold on the reserve fund, and everything is transparent. What happens then? The price of the token goes down. So we'll never have to guess, has the company got the money? Everything is on the blockchain. This is a part of the project I absolutely love. Crypto cards will be live at the event in Bangkok next week, the first phase. This is your best friend, Jarvis, in your application. You see here, Bitcoin, you want to participate 0.1053 BTC into the project, no problem. Here you can see the history and all the trades. This is an Ethereum USD trade on the 5th of April at 07:31 and 25 seconds. If you log into Binance on that coin, you can see the trades. Transparency. There's plenty of robots out there doing arbitrage trading, but none that I've seen given this transparency where you can track and see everything. This here is when you get paid daily in cloud token, you can convert into Ethereum, and look at this. Click on the block explorer and it goes onto the public blockchain Ether scan, and every single transaction is transparent. This is a part I love. If you're familiar with the online world, any project that you participate in and pay in BTC or Ethereum, when you get paid out of that program, you don't know where that payment's coming from. Here, you do. Where it goes in is where it comes out. Everything is transparent. And that's a part that's very powerful in this project. The ecosystem. Ronald I has been doing arbitrage for the past 3.5 years. So Ronald I, end goal, is a lot bigger than arbitrage trading. Ronald I, end goal, is a payments application where we can invite merchants into our application, and where they use cloud token, and cloud token members will get a discount just like WeChat. WeChat is huge in Asia, particularly China. And in this business right now, the huge growth in the world is all China. Europe now and the rest of the world is starting to go crazy as well, but the huge momentum growth is in China. They love this. They love the transparency, they love the technology, and they love where the end goal is. So the arbitrage is what he started with. And the first goal of the company is to get 250,000 members. And at the rate we're growing, that won't be too long at all. Why? Because then you can launch the fully fledged card program. The beta, the real cards, branded cards, will be in Bangkok next week for some people to use. But the fully fledged card program, as you know, you cannot launch it with 10,000 cards. You need 250,000 active cards. And then the goal after that then is to evolve into a fully decentralized payments application. So this is exciting, guys. This is just an example I like to show people on the presentations. You can see here, they connect the card with the application. And guys, this application is so easy. This business is so easy, it would pass you by. Why do I say that? You download the application on your phone. You talk to a friend, say, listen, would you like, I says, you invite them first about a project. You say, listen, give them a link, download this free application. Instead of holding some of your BTC on Binance or Bitrex or on the ledger, you can hold some here and you get paid for doing it. So it's very easy. Invite them onto these calls. Myself and Matthias are doing calls 24/7, 7 days a week. We've been so busy, and then daily then we do one global call, depending on travel arrangements, of course. If we can have one every day, we will. Some days we might miss one, but nearly every day we do a global call for all the audience. Now, and this is just a video of the PlusToken branded debit card, which is coming soon. Okay, see you. Again, guys, the event is upon us. It's next week, 12th of May. It's been a roller coaster ride for myself over the past week, and Matthias. We have some of the biggest names in the world in this space. Jim Rickards, a lot of you would know his name. He's one of our guest speakers. There's some huge caliber going to share the stage next week, and they're all excited about what's to come in the coming months and years. With that, I'm going to hand it over to Matthias now. Can you hear us, Matthias?
Yeah, I'm here. Hello, guys. Just let me know if you can hear me properly, you can see me properly.
Perfect.
Okay, nice one. I can see that we've got the really international team today on the call. I can see people from Vietnam, Cambodia, Thailand, Switzerland, Sweden, UK. We've got people from Ireland, from Poland, from Germany. Maybe I missed some people. From Africa, from some countries, from Lithuania. I'm very happy that we go growing so fast in big international level. I'm so happy with this. Okay, thank you for coming. Thank you for giving the time to listen to the presentation. For some people, we've got something huge and very simple to show you. We're talking about simple application like this. And this application, you can store your cryptocurrency, you can get paid every 24/7, about 0.3% every single day. Okay, what is good about this, you can send your crypto to this wallet, connect to your Jarvis arbitrage robot, and you can earn every single day. But once you decide, for example, let's say after 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you don't want anymore to earn the percentage per day. You just simply click it and withdraw to a different wallet. So it's very simple and easy with this application. That's what I like the most. And look at here, how transparent it is. You can see how many Ethereum I have. Okay, you can see how many Ethereum. And I can click, okay, I can connect. Look what's happened. It's connecting me to the Etherscan. And you can see everything on Ethereum. Same with Bitcoin. Everything is connected to the blockchains of the cryptocurrencies. That's what I like very, very much. What is the main goal of this company? To create application like WeChat Pay. Okay, this is huge application. I think about 800 million users in China using this app. They can pay, they can send the money between them. They've got many applications inside this app that helping people to get discounts, cheap prices, and pay cheaper and transfer money very, very cheap. That's why so many people using the app. Of course, to start with app like this globally, the company was thinking to how to attract people. So that's why they connected to Jarvis, to the trading robot, to the arbitrage robot, to give some profits to the members, to attract them to build masses. And as we know, we're getting paid every single day, the commission, not in dollars, but we're getting paid in PlusToken. Okay, so every day, doesn't matter how much you earn, all the commissions going to be paid in PlusToken. PlusToken today is only 30 cents. Okay, guys, this is really early stage of the business, and we are in the right time now because it's only 30 cents. In my opinion, this token can be worth about $50 or even more within the next 12 months. So only take your calculator and check how much money you can earn only on a growth of the PlusToken from 30 cents, let's say even to $30. This would make me super excited. I'm earning for about 10 days, every single day, a lot of PlusTokens. I accumulate and I'm waiting until price will be higher. I don't sell now because there's no point. I can sell because we've got the possibility to straight away sell cloud tokens to Ethereum and withdraw. That's not a problem. Okay, but I'm waiting until the price will be higher. Maybe $10, maybe 20, 30, maybe 50. So this is my goal. Let me share with you my part of this presentation. Okay, what is and how simple is this business and this app? There is no packages to buy. So we don't have package for 100, 200, or 500, or 20,000, 100,000, no packages. You can send to your wallet as much as you want, okay? No membership fee, no monthly auto ship. So we don't need to pay anything monthly. We only hold the cryptocurrencies in the wallet. No contracts. You can withdraw your capital anytime. This is very important, very important. Anytime you decide you want to withdraw, you can withdraw. There is only one rule applied to this. If you withdraw within 30 days, you need to pay 10% charges, okay? After that, if you decide to withdraw after 35 days, 100 days, you don't pay anything. So let's say you put today 1 Bitcoin, okay? You're earning every single day commission in the cloud token. You decide after 2 months, okay, you would withdraw 1 Bitcoin back. But the tokens, what you accumulated is yours. You can sell anytime. Cloud token generates revenue from arbitrage trading, not from new members coming. That's very important too. You can earn your money without sponsoring. So only you load the wallet and you can earn totally passive. And what is very good about this also, this is huge. The token has potential to grow up in value 100 times in the next 12 months. About the affiliate program. So if you decide that you share the app with somebody else, your friends, your family, your business partners, with anybody, you start to promote online, then how will you get paid? In all the people you bring direct to the business, very huge bonus. You're going to earn 100% matching bonus from the people, whatever they earn. So let's say you introduce John to the business. John put $1,000. He earns about $100 every single month. Then you match this. So you're going to earn also $100, the same what John is earning. So let's say you put John for $10,000. Every month, John is going to earn $1,000, $1,000, $1,000. It's the same you. $1,000, $1,000, $1,000, $1,000. Okay, so you're matching the same what your people earning. So let's say, just think if you bring 10 Johns to the business. Okay, 10 Johns making money every single month, every single day, and you get paid also every single day. But that's not all. There is also second level of commission. So if you bring John and John brings somebody else, let's say Michael, whatever Michael earns, you're going to earn 50% matching bonus. Okay, so Michael earned $100, you're going to earn $50. So just imagine if you start building the business, you have from everybody on the first level, 100%, everybody second level, you've got 50%. So if you're building the business strong, you invite 10, 20 people. Those people, if they duplicate, they're doing the same, you have 100 people in your second line from everybody you're earning 50% on second level. So just take calculator and make the maths. Very simple and very huge. So to earn from second level, we need to have 2 direct referrals. And every new referral you recommend to the business open you another level of matching bonuses in this business. So let's say you introduce person number 3 to the business. Your level 3 is open and you earn additional 5% on this level. Level 4 is open when you introduce person number 4 to the business and you're starting to earn 5% from level 4 and so on and so on. 10 people direct, 10 levels open, and you're earning 5%. Qualification for matching bonus. So, okay. As we know, first level, 100% matching bonus. Level number 2, we need to have 2 referrals, and we're earning from everybody on level 2, 50%. Level 3 to level 15. It depends how many referrals you have, from 3 to 15. You're going to earn 5% from everybody in your team up to 15 level. And magic happened when you introduce person number 16, because person number 16 opening for you another level, 16 to 21 levels. So together, if you have 16 people direct, then you're earning from the level 1 to 21. And this is what I like the most, this part of the compensation plan. This is like ranking promotions, okay? This you can earn up to 20% deep in your organization. How to do it? You need to first become C1. C1 is very simple. You need to have in your team $200,000 on the app. So people put in the app $200,000, you have a C1, and you're starting to earn, very important, from the first level to infinity, additional 5%. Then when you help 3 people to be C1 on separate legs, then you become C2 and you will get extra 5%. So you're starting to earn 10% additional from all the levels, from everybody, every single day. Huge. Every day, 10% from everybody in your team. Okay? Then you've got level number, C3. You need to help 3 people to become C2, and you're going to start earning another 5%, so you will be 15% earning additional from your team. C4, you need to help the 3 people to be C3, and you're going to earn extra 5%. It means you're going to earn 20% matching bonus every single day from everybody in your team. And if you become C5, then you're going to participate in the revenue share of the company pool of 5%. That can pay you between $1.5 and $2 million additional per year. Okay, so that's it, guys, about the compensation plan. Paul, back to you.
Thanks, Matthias, for the great explanation. As you can see, guys, it's very easy business. There's nothing complicated about this. It's all about timing, you know. It's all about timing. And I believe we're in the right time, in the right place. We're on the verge of another bull market in the cryptocurrency space. A lot of people got nervous when Bitcoin hit 3,000. Now it's coming up. We believe we have the right people in place with Ronald I and the technology. And guys, we're ready. Put us to work. We're here to help all the people in the company. Doesn't matter where you're from, big leader, small leader. We're here to help you. So we're on fire at the moment, guys, and it's just a great time and moment to be a part of this project. With that, I'll see you all, and we should be back to you tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you.